Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to share what's included in our Sneak Peek Club May kit and 3 card designs by our design team member Galina. This is kit number 5 with items from our June 5th release, which is Hello Sunshine. In this kit, you will find Happy Crabs die, Coastal Line die and stencil, Hello Sunshine Sentiment stamp set, and the Subsentiment Coastal die cut. As always, you will have a project card with color combos listed on the side for 2 cards that you'll see later in this video. The Happy Crabs die includes 2 layers for 2 crabs, plus some fun accessories for them to hold. Simply cut them from 2 shades of cardstock and stack the layers to build your crabs. If you're using colored cardstock, you can bring back the highlights with a white gel pen, or use the included base die to cut white cardstock for the eyes. Just remember, the little highlight dots go towards the outer edge of the eyes. You can also customize your crab by doodling on some dots and lines. The accessory dies include a diamond ring, 2 gemstones, a flower, and a seashell. Have fun decorating your crabs, and don't forget, you can always ink blend over the die cut to make them even more your own. The Coastal Line die and stencil contains 3 dies and 1 stencil. You can paper piece with just cardstock, but using the stencil makes it super quick and easy. We recommend die cutting the wave and rock piece first and then stenciling on top. There are 2 stencil layers for the wave and 1 for the rock. You can use the piece as is or add the seafoam die cuts from white cardstock for extra dimension. In the rest of the video, Galina shares 3 fun ways to use this month's kit. We hope you enjoy it and feel inspired as she creates 3 cards with it.